What is up, guys? It's MrDJSilva, and today I'm going to show you how to get the best export and rendering settings for gaming videos. So the gaming scene on YouTube has been pretty oversaturated, and it has been like this for years. I mean, who doesn't want to fucking sit on their ass and play video games all day? I mean, I wish I could, but hey, I can't. So yeah, I'm going to show you the best export and rendering settings for video games in Adobe Premiere Pro, so you can stand out from the competition in 2019. So let's see how this goes. So firstly, we're going to need to grab a new project. So let's start one up. So we want CUDA chords enabled. So let's get that done, I guess. Now make sure you click on the timeline and go to File, go to New, and go to Sequence. This is so we can start up the sequence. Just click OK and you should be fine. Now we want to go to Sequence Settings. Go to Custom on Editor Mode and select 60 FPS. And this is our frame rate, our resolution and stuff like that. So I have the resolution of what you need on the screen so you can get it done. So there's the resolution for 4K, 2K, 1080p and 720. But for this tutorial I'm going to do 1080p because my computer shit and I can't do 4K, so hey. So we're going to go through this, make sure we enable maximum depth and maximum render quality, and pick the resolution that we need. Also make sure pixel aspect ratio is square pixels and progressive scanners on. Right, now we've got that sorted, all we have to do is drag our gameplay into the timeline. So we're going to do that. Here's where we're going to do our editing, and we're going to keep existing settings. So let's say we're happy with this edit. I know it's definitely not good, but hey, it's not good footage, so hey. So once you're happy with the footage that you edit, say, hey, it looks good, yada yada dance, blah blah blah. Alright, so this should be done. Now we're going to go to File, go to Export, and click Media. Once we've done that, we're going to make sure we have H.264 enabled. And make sure you have source bitrate or high bitrate or some shit. Here you can save the name of your file. So for this, I'm just going to put video and click save. Now we're going to go down for basic video settings. Here's where you change the resolution for the render. Make sure you unclick all these and make sure you have them set to the appropriate option. And click maximum render at maximum depth. We're going to unclick these, make sure to set profile to high, and the level will automatically adjust. For this part we're going to go with VBR 2 pass, so I put the target bitrate and the maximum bitrate for the appropriate resolutions and stuff like that. So it should be easier for you to get the maximum quality. To be honest, these are actually the bitrate quality for HDR, but hey, we want to make sure we got quality, and sometimes YouTube will compress it, well, most of the time, but hey, I'm just going to use these settings, so here we go. After that is done, we're gonna want to click export, and after that, after it's finished exporting, the video should be done. Alrighty guys, thank you for watching, and if this video is helpful, make sure you give the video a like, share it or something like that, and subscribe to the channel because we're gonna have more videos like this. Also, this actual video that you're watching isn't actually running these settings because it's a tutorial. It doesn't really need 60 FPS and stuff. So yeah, only use these settings for like gaming or VR or some shit like that. So yeah, peace out.
Until I broke the rules.